lot about the great work that you're doing. Honestly, I'm just blown away. But two of my colleagues, so I'll introduce Dr. Richard Marshell first. He is an educationalist, he's a philanthropist, he's a philosopher, he's an artist, he's a writer, he's an author of a number of books that are found in Oxford University Library, and Oxford University Press has published them. He is the husband of a very, very intelligent, strong, passionate educationist, an English teacher who is a professor of English at King's College, London. He has two daughters. One is a lawyer who is supporting lots of good causes, and the other is a head of English herself in a secondary school, so very much a teaching, the work that you are doing here. And he was very keen to come and support as well. And like Dr. Marshell, I'm hoping at the end of this sort of day and a half visit with you, that they will also want to partner with you and continue to do the sort of work that I've been doing, whether it's online or in situ here. So I'll invite Ms. Baramidze now to say a few words. Ms. Baramidze.
It is an honor to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm one of those people, obviously, I love
having a discussion with me, but what I want to do now, the rest of them, who is not having a discussion with me, I'm looking at the board and thinking what's on the board. Does that make sense? So one of the most important elements of inclusion differentiation is to have a ready activity. Please make sure there's always something to get everybody going while you are talking to somebody else, while you're greeting everybody else. Does that make sense? So, this is what I have here, and I think one of the most important elements of our lives. Please remember, we are all human beings. We come from different experiences. We all individuals, and that's what matters.
You're not going to do your job very well. So I'm going to give you a question. I just want you to sit and think about the answer. The number 3, the number 5, which is the fiercest number? The number 3 or the number 5? Think. Don't talk to anyone. I'm going to count to 5, and then I'm going to ask one of you to give me. One of the things that, again, unsettles and therefore gets people to rethink is when something they're expecting. Good evening, we're all here gathered to listen to me. No, I'm removing that. I'm not even there. I need what? And you're now watching that and thinking, she can do it, I can do it. Suddenly, I might now have got 10 of you, vaguely interested, 15 of you, hanging in there. There'll still be everybody. Every single young person that you have to teach, you've got to get them to the place where they can do the straightforward stuff. That's great. But they've also got to do the 8, 9, and 10.